energy moves in waves. Wavelengths grow so long before my eyes. Look like curves drawn on a page. Amplitude describes a wave's height, like a tower in the city. But don't, oh no, forget shade, 'cause all waves have the same. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, energy moves in waves every day. Yeah, yeah. Whether sound waves or gamma rays, that's its way. Yeah, yeah. Ultraviolet and microwaves. Visible light are light waves you can see. They've got a quick frequency. But don't, oh no, forget shade.